all of the pastry. Kind of feels like scanned. I've only got a little bit. Need to get more than that. Pop. 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 There it all there. Now where's the instruction packet?
Okay, what was number 3 say?
Roll, roll, roll. Roll.
Come on.
Okay. Mush. And you have to play with it to shape it. Mush. Whoa. Whoa. I'm flipping to I'm straightening it or that we don't have any little mark thing in it. Mark thing. Are you really supposed to roll it all together because that bowl looks that good?
It's good.
Okay, well, and then you've got to put cream on it.
Yep, so you've got to snip this first.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can put it on your bowl. Just on that bit, right?
On the top, I think, then you spread it out.
Right, going at the top. The end I just had it on.
Either end.
Big end. Whoa. Ooh. It is kind of tempting to take a taste. More than that?
All of it, I think.
Oh, it is getting all over my hands. Oh, it's going everywhere. Have I gotten it all out?
No.
I'm trying. Can I cut it a bit more?
Squeeze it down, squeeze it down to the bottom.
Or can I cut it to about here?
Just squeeze it down to the bottom.
Okay. It is quite hard. Oh. Oh, that's a big one. I'm getting nowhere near all of it out.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
It's taking ages.
And don't spread out. And then so you can get the rest of this thing up.
What are you going?
You can start spreading it.
Okay. So you spread downward. Do you spread it all over?
Like number 6.
You spread it all over, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Right. You rub it down. You rub it down. All of it go hard. We are trying to spread it all down. Or it goes sticky. Yeah. I got the tomato in there. I got the tomato out. Can I have some help?
Yes. So, good.
I think it need more.
That's pretty good. Number 9 says. What's your next number?
I don't know. Get the jam. My hand just go dirty now. I'm gonna get the jam. Oh, it's like a sugar slime.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try, Mummy?
Yeah, put it all out.
What?
Put it all out.
Ideally, you will be using a knife to get it out. Like if it was real life. Oh! I want to have a little, I'm just having a little squish with it first. Put the jam container over here. And then it get to play with it.
So stretch it out so that it goes because it's going to go on top of it.
I think that means I can play with it a little bit. It's a bit stretchy. You want it to stretch from either end, but with jelly slimes, you can't really stretch them because they snap. Oh, I did it. When you put it on, it gave to lay it flatly on, and it should look like that. Are you supposed to use the knife for that? Or just completely somehow flatly lay it on? It's not the best, but it works.
Doesn't matter. Okay, what's next?
It's going to get your activator. We're going to get our milk and put it in the container, the strawberry container, your strawberry liquid.
How much are you putting in?
2 drops.
2 drops. 2 drops.
Ow. can't do it.
It's not open.
It's not open properly again. Are you dabbing the container?
Yes, to get into it.
Are you recording still while dabbing the container?
I'm recording you while I start the container, yes.
I'm realigning the jelly bit. Okay, there we go. One. That was a bit more than expected, but it's technically too dry. Whoop.
Thinking, I don't want to get there.
What do you do?
This one?
And then you'll chop your sugar. I'm gonna put my finger there. You're going like super sharp. I'm not meant to cut them. And then you'll realign. Nearly slipped.
Okay, I'm ready.
You've got to try to rip it. That's what you've got to try to do. This whole project is practically parent led, I swear. Yeah. Oh, it's like this one's like a big bulky one, and it gets to roll it into a tiny ball.
Take a little bit off.
Okay.
Not tiny bit, but like enough to put into the. Put it in the mouth.
Roll it up.
Yep, put it in the mouth. And turn it into a strawberry.
Yeah. Oh no, going.
That's fine. Because you're going to put it in. Don't bother squish it down. Don't bother squishing it down.
Oh.
It's like. I'm going to turn it into a strawberry. And put some.
It got ready, a strawberry.
Put some on the other side. No, put that in, leave it in. And then put some on the other side.
Okay, got it. Yeah. There won't be confusion throughout the video.
And then close it together.
It might not all work. I'm trying. And hold it.
Yeah. And then open it again.
Strawberry. Strawberry mummy.
Yeah, take it out.
Like a bit of extra.
Yeah, so you can peel off the excess.
It doesn't really feel good when you get it wet, though. I'm trying to make it quick.
So you can make extra strawberries if you wanted to. That's why you have extra activator. And then you've got strawberry tops.
It's kind of one bulky strawberry right now.
Yeah, kind of put it on top.
Oh, I like
And
that.
you can decorate your cheesecake with it.
One.
You can make more if you want to.
Not the bit that gets stuck to your arm.
Do you like more strawberries?
Yeah.
Go on then. And down.
Yeah. You need activator, don't you? Otherwise, it doesn't wet and it doesn't make it realistic.
It's next to your arm.
There we go. Okay, be a bit more mindful this time. One gentle squeeze, another gentle squeeze. Not like rah, 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 like I went before. Rah, 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 rah. And then you take a little bit and you mush it into your strawberry. The activator is outweighing the actual strawberry. And then you mush that in there.
I want one now.
Oh yeah, you go like. If you mush it down.
Close it together.
Boing. That it jumped. That was not all part of the plan. Tell me where to open it.
Probably open
Oh, it's big. Take it by it. Oh, that's smart. It literally popped out of the egg.
You got half the strawberry then if you left the other half behind.
This is what I see as a strawberry because it's sliced.
That's a sliced strawberry. Where's the other half?
I guess it can be a sliced strawberry.
You won't get the top one if it's sliced.
Yeah, because with my sliced strawberry, you usually take the top ring off. Mush. 2 strawberries. I like 2 strawberries. And that's a cheesecake. It's not so good, but it works. And now I'm playing with it.
And do you know what you get to do with it now?
What?
Smush it!
What? Goodbye! Whoa! This is a good sensory play now. Now you just get to enjoying it and get as dirty as possible.
So you can add more activator to it if you want to make it more easy to slush.
Whoa. Oh, that was quite an experience. I think a lot of kids love to smush things though. And now I just get to play with this slime. You're not gonna, and it's gonna get all pinky, and it's gonna be so fun.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Give it a rating out of 5.
5 out of 5 because smashing is fun. But anyway, don't you want to see me smush for like 10 minutes? Go, goodbye.